Morning class, as you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.1. Today we will start our exercise 3.2. In this exercise we will learn about square root. Okay, in the previous videos we have learned about square of a number, but today we will learn about square roots. Okay, so square roots of a number is opposite of square. Okay, for example beta, if you have a number like 16, the square of 16 is equal to 256. But if we have to find the square root of a number 16, then we have to use the radical sign, that is this, and this is the symbol of square root. Okay, so square root of 16 is equal to 4 because 16 is equal to 4 square. Okay, so opposite of square root will cancel the exponent 2 and the result is equal to 4. Okay, now we have two methods to find the square of any number. Look at the methods. First one is by prime factorization method and second one is by repeated subtraction method. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So in the first method, by prime factorization method, to find the square root of a given number beta, we have to factorize the given number into its prime factor. Okay, firstly we have to factorize the number. And then we have to make the pair of prime numbers. And the last step in this method is take only one prime number from each pair and then multiply them. Okay, we have to follow these three steps to find the square root of a given number by prime factorization method. What are they? First one is factorize the number into prime factor and make the pair of each prime number, and then take only one member of the pair and then we have to multiply all the number. Okay, for example beta, look at the question. Question number 3, find the square root of the following numbers using prime factorization method. Okay, for example we have 7, 8, 4 in the B part. Firstly we have to factorize this. Okay, so 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 9, 2, again by 2, 1, 9, 6, again by 2 it will become 9, 8, and again it will become 4, 9, and this is 7, 7 and 7, 1. Now what we have to do, we have to make the pairs. So 7, 8, 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, now make the pairs, first pair, second pair and third pair. Now to find the root, what we have to do, we have to take only one number from each pair. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, and this is equal to 4 multiplied by 7, and this is equal to 28. So this is the square root of 7, 8, 4, and that is 28, and this is the way by which we can find the square root of a given number by prime factorization method. Okay, so this is the solution of your B part of question number 3. Remaining question of this part are same beta, try to do them by yourself. Now we will learn about the second method. So the second method is by repeated subtraction method. In this method beta, we have to subtract the odd numbers from the given number until we get 0. Okay. By repeated subtraction method, in this method we have to subtract odd numbers from the given number whose square root we have to find until we get the 0. Okay. To understand, let us look the example. Question number 2. Find the square root of the following number using repeated subtraction method. In the question number 2, we have to use the repeated subtraction method. Okay. So A part. What is A part? 49. So we have to subtract odd numbers. So this is first odd number is 1. So 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. Then subtract next odd number, that is 3. This will become 45. After subtracting 3, we have to subtract 5 and this will become 40. Then we have to subtract the next odd number, that is 7, and the result will become again 33. Again subtract the next odd number, that is 9. What will we get? After subtracting 9 from 33, what we have? We have 24. Again we have to subtract 11 from 24, so this will become 13. Again we have to subtract next odd number, and that is 13, and 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. And we have to subtract the odd numbers until we have 0 as the result. Okay. Now we have result 0. Now what we have to do? Now we have to count the odd numbers that we have subtract from the given number. So how many odd numbers we have subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. So 7 is the square root of given number. So the answer of this question is under root of 49 is equal to 7. This is the answer of your question second A part. This is the way by which you have to solve the remaining question of second question. Please try to do them by yourself. Now we will learn about the possible value of unit place of square root of a number. Okay. So beta, if we have a number whose unit place is 0, then the unit place in the square root of that number is also 0. And if we have a number with unit place 1, then the unit place value in the square root of that number may be 1 or maybe 9, because 1 square is equal to 1 and 9 square is equal to 81. In both number, the unit place will become 1. Okay. Now the given number has unit place equal to 4. Given number has unit place equal to 4, then the possible value of the unit place of square root of that number are 2 and 8. In the same manner, square of 2 is equal to 4 and square of 8 is equal to 64. In both cases again the unit place is 4. Okay. So that's why the value of unit place of square root of a given number having 4 as unit place value are 2 or 8. Okay. Now if a number has unit place 5, then the value of unit place in the square root of that number is also 5, because only the 5 square represent the unit place 5. Okay. And if a number has unit place 6, then we have two possible value on the unit place of square root, that are 4 and 6, because 4 square is equal to 16 and 6 square is also equal to 36. In both cases we have unit place equal to 6. Clear? Now in the last, the unit place of a given number is 9, then the unit place value of square root of that number is equal to 3 or 7, because square of 3 is equal to 9 and square of 7 is equal to 49. In both cases unit place value is 9. Okay, so these are the possible values of unit place in the square root of a given number. Okay, by using this we have to solve the question number first of exercise 3.2. Now, so the question number first is, what could be the possible unit digit of the square root of the following number? Okay beta, so look at the A part, 4 to 9. Firstly we have to check the unit place. The unit place value is 9. So the possible unit place value of square root are value of square root are 3 and 7. Okay, as we have already discussed about this. In the B part, unit place value is 1. B part, unit place value in the given number is 1. So the possible value of the square root are 1 and 9 beta. Okay, so this is the solution of beta question number first. Try to do the remaining part of question number first by yourself. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.